Hey everyone, and welcome to another cleaning video. Today I'm going to be doing some deep cleaning. These are jobs that I've just been putting off for a really long time because I don't really want to do them. So I hope this video will give you some extreme cleaning motivation to get in and do some of the jobs that you've been meaning to get done. So you can either watch this video and then get ready to clean, or just turn it on and do the cleaning along with me. I really like watching these type of videos while I clean because A, it does motivate me, but also I feel like I'm doing cleaning with a friend, which makes the job go by a lot faster. So I hope it does this for you. If you needed some cleaning motivation today, make sure you give this video a like, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and say hello down in the comments. I love getting to know you guys and chatting to all my subscribers in the comments, so make sure you don't forget to do that at some point in this video. So my first cleaning goal of the day is to wash my sheets. Honestly, I wish I had like a routine for this, but I don't at the moment. I just kind of wash them whenever I think they need to get done. But how often do you guys wash your sheets? Because I know I need to make it a routine. Today was laundry day, so I did have a load already in the wash and needed to switch some stuff out. But I didn't have all that much laundry today. Usually I have a lot more, so it was easy enough to just do my sheets along with the laundry. I do have an extra pair of sheets for my bed that I could put right back on, but I figured since I was starting it so early in the morning, they would be washed before we need to go to bed at night. So to avoid folding more laundry, because I'm just lazy like that, I decided to just wash them and then put them back on my bed as soon as they were done. So right now I'm using the Method laundry detergent. You can't really see it because this clip is blurry, but also what I like to do with my whites is use the, I think it's called Molly Suds. It's a fairly new product to me, but I'm really loving it because it really brightens your whites and makes them look brand new clean. It's such a good product. And I hope I'm not the only one, but sometimes at night, if I'm too tired to take my makeup off, I just go to bed with it on, and my quilt got a little dirty from that. So I'm just taking this Grove Collaborative stain remover spray, and it works really well. The bottle's actually almost empty. I need to get a new one, but I'm just going to spray that on the quilt before I wash it and just let it soak for a while the other load is being washed. So the rest of my house was pretty clean. Last night was Sunday, so I just spent like an hour cleaning the house before I went to bed because I knew today I wanted to get into the deep cleaning, and if my house was a mess, there's no way I would have been able to, so I just stayed up a little late to do it. So other than a few dishes in the sink, my kitchen was already pretty clean. I just quickly unloaded the dishwasher and then emptied the sink because the sink is one of the things I want to deep clean today. So in addition to washing my bedding and deep cleaning the sink, my goal for the day is to wipe down all the cabinets and walls because there are some really bad spots, and then also to vacuum out all of my cabinets because they are getting pretty bad. After the dishes were all done, I just rinsed out the sink, emptied the drain plugs because we don't have a garbage disposal, and then to really clean my sink, I've been using the Bon Ami cleansing powder. This stuff is so cheap and it works really well because it's also an abrasive, so you can really scrub out porcelains, and it works on a lot of different things too. But I love it when I find an inexpensive product that really does the job and also is versatile like this one. So I'm just going to sprinkle that into both of my sinks and let it sit for a while and then come back to it later. So the main reason my cabinets need to be washed so badly is because the whole world is a canvas to little Chloe right now, and she had a red crayon and decided to draw all over them and the walls, so there's a lot of work for me to do today. Luckily, she's really cute, I couldn't be mad at her, but also it was washable, so I'm just going to use the Method all-purpose spray to just spray down the cabinets and wash them. And while I'm at it, I'm just going to wash all of the cabinets because even though there's not crayon on all of them, it's right at the kids' level, so there are little handprints and smudges everywhere. And the rag I'm using is something from the Dollar Tree. It's just a reusable cleaning cloth, which I really like. It's helping me cut down on using paper towels a lot, which is saving me money, and also the environment, which I'm not a huge environmentalist or anything, but I'm willing to do my part if I can. This area around the kids' table was the dirtiest. There were so many little handprints around, but it's so cute at the same time. I try to think of that whenever I have to do work cleaning up after them. Because of all the texture in the walls, it's a little hard to wash off there, so the all-purpose spray helps a lot. The more I walked throughout the house, the more I saw the red crayon everywhere. I don't even remember seeing her with a red crayon, so it was really funny to see how far she had gotten with it. It was in my bedroom, it was in the hallway, it was just everywhere. This area actually had real crayon on it, so it took a lot more elbow grease to get this stuff off. While I was at it, I just decided to do all of the doors as well because especially where our hands grabbed, there were just so many fingerprints and everything. And the more I looked at it, the more I realized how long it had been since I'd done this, and it just had gotten really dirty. On a lot of the doors and walls, especially in my room, there were a lot of black scuff marks that the all-purpose spray just couldn't quite get out. And you guys know I'm all about doing things as natural as possible. I just love natural products in my home, but sometimes a magic eraser is the only thing that will get things clean. These things are amazing, by the way. It made wiping off those spots so easy. At this this time the kids woke up, so I knew that my deep cleaning routine was going to be cut short. They didn't nap very long this day, so I decided to finish up the walls and stuff with them and then just see what I could get done. That's the thing about cleaning with kids, like you have to learn to be flexible. It was lunchtime, so I brought their lunch outside, hoping that it would buy me a little bit of extra time while I finished up in the kitchen. I don't mind working in the kitchen when they're outside because I can see and hear them through the window and door, but otherwise I do like to keep a close eye on them. They love eating outside so much. I do too, and I'm just loving the warmer weather. After I got them set up, it was back inside to clean the sink. It had been soaking like probably a good 45 minutes by this point. So I just put on some rubber gloves. These are also from the Dollar Tree. And I really love this pink color, by the way. And just took a coconut scrubby from Grove and cleaned this out. The coconut scour pads are really great actually because you can scrub anything. It's like a scour pad, but it's not gonna scratch non-stick surfaces and stuff like that. Anyway, so I just really scrubbed the drains and the sinks and then rinsed them out, and then with the plugs, I just took a brush and really scrubbed those as well. After that, I just rinsed everything down, including my coconut scour pad. And after that, the sink was super clean. There are some stains that were just there before we moved in, but other than that, it was sparkling clean. At this point, it was time to switch out the laundry again and dry my sheets. And then I remembered there was another area where I wanted to clean the walls, and that's right behind our kitchen garbage can. For some reason, this area gets really dirty, and I wanted to make sure to clean it before I threw the magic eraser away because I think they're like a one-time use. At least I only ever use them one time. Anyways, I need to figure out a way to keep the garbage can away from the wall so this doesn't happen anymore. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in the comments down below. After this, I didn't do any more cleaning because, like I said, the kids woke up and cut it short, so I just spent some time outside with them. Once my sheets were dry, I just put them on my bed. And that is the end of this cleaning video. I'm sorry, I hope it doesn't bother anyone that I didn't actually put my quilt back on my bed. It took a really long time to dry, and I had a lot of other things to do after filming this video. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it inspired you to get some deep cleaning done, maybe jobs that you've been putting off for a really long time. It feels so good once they're done. So let me know in a comment down below if it did. I love hearing from you guys. Also, make sure you subscribe to this video and give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more like it. Also, let me know what kind of cleaning videos you guys would like to see next because I love your suggestions. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.